Alright, what we have here is a basic layout of what Blender gives you as soon as you open the program. Now, up top we have, our basic file, add, you go into mesh, we can have a cube, and the only other important one that we'll be dealing with is render, which we will deal with later. However, if you noticed, our most important understanding of knowing the overview of the modes within the program are the window types. Now obviously up here you see this eye, we're in user preferences mode up here. Down here, this is our 3D view, and you can see our y-axis right here and our x-axis. Down here we are in our buttons window. Now within each one of these window types we have panels, and as you can see, our panels consist of basically buttons and options. This happens to be logic. We have our editing and so forth. However, most of the time we'll be dealing with editing and object. Now, within our 3D view, we also have our submenus and options. And within view, we have our top, front. Here's our side. Now, you can't tell the difference here because we are at a very basic perspective. However, I'll show you how that will change fairly soon. And another very important thing is the difference between object mode and edit mode. Object mode is basically the object itself. Say if this was created with a bunch of micro mini triangles and squares and whatnot, we wouldn't be able to see them. Edit mode, they would all be there and we would be able to manipulate them however which way we want. Also, I want to bring up are these modifying agents down here. These are all different for each sub-menu mode that we are in, and that can get quite complicated very easily, and they change obviously as you're in each mode. However, just to cover the basics, those are the menus and the different window types that we will be dealing with, and most importantly, button, 3D view, and up here, obviously, as I said before, we'll be using user preferences.